Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well. Today I'm gonna show you how to be a graphic designer. I'm a real deal being a pro graphic designer using Photoshop and also some AI tools in 2025. I mean, look at the past. If you wanted to be a graphic designer in 10 years ago, that was really hard. I'm not gonna talking about that. But in 2025, using AI can help you to be really a pro one in the design. So, look at this picture. I want to design this one. I want to recreate stuff like that, but instead of these birds and flowers and leaves, I want to recreate this one and have the coffee seeds in this one, but in another design. If you want to recreate this one and have all these images, and if you wanted to recreate all this stuff only by yourself, that is a really hard one. But I'm gonna show you using the AI and Photoshop to recreate this one in a perfect way. So first we need to go to Photoshop and set the size for this package and stuff. In this case I choose centimeters, and width for this one, I mean 15 must be good, and 20 centimeters for the height. Resolution must be 300 pixels per centimeters. And color mode, if you want to have this one for, if I want to recreate this one, look at the background of this package. I need to have this green background. So to doing that, I'm gonna drag this one to the Photoshop, and in new window I want to have this one in front of my eyes. So I want this green color, this code for my stuff. I have many ways to do that. I mean, I can use the paint bucket or shortcut key using G, and I want to select this color. I have color picker and clicking and left click on this stuff, and I have the color 00452.8, and left click and you have the background. Or instead of this one, if you want to have the green background, you can have a shape and clicking on fill, these colors and color picker, and again you have the green background. All right, then I need 3 pictures. As you can see, I need a picture in the right hand, a picture for the left that is narrow, and I need a picture for the upper side. In the Photoshop, I need to go to layers and lock this one, because I don't want to have any changes in the background. I set the background and that's enough. Go to the shapes and select the rectangle tool. In this case, I think in this range it's enough. Then I have the shape. The color does not matter, and yep, I need the same size of this rectangle tool in the left hand, and here to the upper side I want to have a complete rectangle, and that's it. All right, I need a Starbucks logo. I will have this one in the end, but before we dive into that, I need picture of the same style and the same design that is designed for this one. I mean, it has the birds, flowers, and leaves. I want to have the coffee seeds. So, all right. First, I need to have the image for the right hand side. I mean, here. Go to Google and then type Sora. And first link here, OpenAI. You can create login if you have an account already. You can click on Sora, and that's it. This is Sora, a powerful AI tool that you can create any images or any videos that you are imagining. Here I have a prompt and I need to paste the image and the design here. Then I need to write the prompt. I want to have coffee seed design exact the same style of this image. And then go to the options. I need to have images, then aspect ratio 1 is enough, and version 2 images per prompt, and here, and remix, waiting for AI to create this image, add it to code. Clicking on my media, and as you can see, the images are creating. This is amazing. I have the same, exactly the same style of this picture instead for the coffee seeds. Let me save this image on desktop, save, and the image is saved. Drag this one to the Photoshop, and I need to add this one here. I need to select this part of the image here. Control J on, I have this part of the image. Let me delete the rest of them. Resize this image to here, and that's it. I need to clipping mask this picture to the layer. All right, I need to drag this one to the rectangle tool, upper one tile layer upper. Go to the picture layer and press Alt key, then left click, and I have this one. Then I need to have a picture for the left hand side. Let me add this one. Then drag this one to the Photoshop again. Here. Here, and press Alt key, and that's it. Then I need a picture for the upper hand side. Go to the design layer, have a screenshot, go to the Sora, paste the image, and then like the exact same style for this image. I want you to recreate an image for coffee seeds. Clicking on remix, waiting for picture to be created. The image has been created, and I think this one is quite good for the design. Save this one, then drag this one to the Photoshop. Then clipping mask this image layer to the rectangle and this one here. Then I need to have a Starbucks logo. Here is the logo. Save this logo and add this one to the Photoshop. Then I need to type the stuff. Starbucks. So let me change the color. It is, change the size of the text. And I need to change the font. Let me change this one to 25. Change the veranda blend font. I need a little bit narrow. I can select the bold is enough. And I need to have a rectangle here. Let me change the layer of this one here, and that's it. The color of this one must be this kind of orange. Clicking on OK, and yep. And yep, as you can see, the graphic design is not that much hard. You can design all the things that you want. I mean, designing a cover of the book using ChatGPT and every kind of stuff. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you have any further questions, you can comment down below. Thank you for watching.